Yo, I'm 𝐾𝐞𝐬𝐜 over here, and finally guys, I've got Toyota Supra for you. And this particular unit is the cheapest 5th generation Supra on the market. Now, let's have a closer look. Introducing Toyota Supra, rear-wheel drive sport car powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine producing 255 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. Also, this unit comes with a lot of carbon fiber goodies. I mean, have a look. Carbon fiber diffuser. We got carbon fiber spoiler, another carbon fiber spoiler. We even have carbon fiber over here on the door, and more carbon fiber here. Now let's have a look from the front. This car is an absolute head turner. Very beautiful, tri-LED lights, very nice. Now, another thing to take note of is this. Very nice 19-inch sport rims, and of course, Brembo big brake kit to make you stop very fast. Alright, now, let's go in. Alright, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Wow. Really, once you get inside this car, you can definitely tell you're sitting in a sport car. First things first, one of the reasons is this. Semi-bucket seats that are very comfortable and they hug you very tight. Like, look how much they're bolstered. It will really hold you very well when you're taking corners at legal speeds. Alright? Okay, so of course we have multifunctional steering wheel which comes with pedal shifters. Because this is a sport car, you definitely sometimes want to shift your own gears, right? For more engaging drive. I really love the speedometer cluster. Even though it's digital, it's got this physical element to it. Like you see, this thing is actually protruding out for your tachometer. Very nice, very beautiful. Okay, your gear selector is here. This is a controller for your very nice infotainment screen. This is your park anywhere button. These are your aircon controls, and you even got a charging pad for your phone. You see? Very cool, very nice. My phone is charging now. Okay, also you have a USB port here, you have a 12-volt port here, you have a mode selection here. Okay, you see when I press sport, it also changes on a speedometer cluster as well. You see there are multiple configurations, a lot of things you can change in this car in order to suit your driving style. Another thing that's very sport car-like is a very small window, sunshade over here. That also comes with mirror when you want to beautify yourself. Alright, have another look guys. I think the interior is very nice and very sporty feel when you are sitting inside. Also another thing, okay, you see the speaker size? The speakers are big, they are great, and I believe they are JBL. Okay, I will double check on that. Alright, so about the deal. On a COE, this car still got 6 years and 2 months left. In terms of depreciation, you're looking under $30,000, about 29K plus. Also, as I mentioned, in terms of price, this is the cheapest Supra on the market right now. I'm talking about 5th generation Supra. Okay? So, you all know what to do. You want to have a look at this car? Call me. And we'll give you a good deal. Bye.